Hello, we are FIBConnect, and today we are going to present you our project that we made during the Hackathon Mobility 2018. So the challenge we were given was social mobility, waking up the machines by Telefonica, that basically told us how we could identify the patterns of mobility inside the city and use them in a useful way. The idea we had is like nowadays students have many resources when it comes to moving, but they usually don't use them in the best way. So one of the good ways that we could improve this was by linking them so they can like share car between them. So that way they don't only socialize more, but they help the environment by reducing the air pollution. Here we can see a couple of screens from our application. We use the FIB API to get the schedule for a given user. In case you are not a FIB student or you want to set it manually, you also can do that. So it's fine, even if you are from another university. For our server, here are some technologies that we used. We were giving some data from fast Spark sensors by word sensing. We use Java to parse that data, and then we sent it to RStudio where we had a script that predicts a model. That model basically tells us if a parking space has chances of being free or not at a given point of time. We use PostgreSQL as our database, and our backend is built in Erlang. As I said before, we built a couple applications both for iOS and Android. We use Xcode and Swift for iOS and Android Studio and Java for the Android OS. Here we have a scheme for our implementation. We see like we have the dataset that we send to RStudio. We use our script to generate a JSON file that we uploaded to the server. So if the application needs to get the data like where is most likely to have a free space, they can actually do that because it's available for them. We see we have an API that basically connects the database and give the data to the applications. And we also have a live chat that's going to be useful in case you have a car and you add some people to that car. You can actually interact between you and share messages. We also use the FIB API to get the schedule, as I said before. Here we see the neural network we built. We take in consideration the day and the hour of the week, so we can actually know the chances of a parking space being free or not. That's very useful because if you wanna go to the university, you can go faster if you know where to actually park. And here we have the links for everything that we've done, the Android, iOS, the backend, the data parser we used, and the R script.